We have the gen, we have the NEPA. Gen
less than 150. Actually, for put the NEPA.
The moment the voltage is less than 150, the inverter will be tripping off and on, telling us that the voltage is low. You put it in the middle. But if the voltage is higher than 150, you can put it on NEPA. You see it coming up there. You see the voltage here. If you see it now, 149. So it's too low. With time, so you put it in the sorry. You put it in the middle. So let now come here now. This is for NEPA/gen, this inverter. This means that if you are using your smaller gen, which is just 3.5 kV, it can't power this inverter. Or mama trip off inverter. So what you need to do is that you need to remove it here and put it here. So it means it has bypassed the whole of the inverter and switch the inverter off.
Okay.
You switch off by itself like that. So it's the normal gen that will be working in the house. But if it's the bigger gen, you can leave it on the inverter. Now, if I put it back on the inverter like this, if there is light, there is no light, as long as there is sun, the inverter is working. There is one funny thing about this Felicity inverter. If the battery is low, it will trip off. Even if it is on like this, it will now write low voltage. It will be a sign of low voltage here. If the battery is low, you need to come and off and on it back. That's the major challenge of Felicity. So now we have a device, some devices here. Let me just explain this for you. If this one trip off, you need to call us. Okay. It means something has been wrong with the solar panel up there. We are the one to rectify it. If this one change to red, okay. This from green, this green. If it change to red, it means the panel, maybe there is a thunder strike. Instead of spoiling the inverter of the panel, is this thing that gets spoiled. Then you have surge. Then you have this breaker. This breaker is just meant for the output light. If this breaker trip off, it means they have put something that is more powerful than the inverter on it. And there's one funny thing about this breaker. If you are putting it on like this and it's not staying on, you need to go and check the whole house. Where I want to stabilizer concealer, or I want to turn iron concealer. That's what can cause it. We now put this solid there. In case you now put those load there, instead of it to come and spoil the inverter or spoil the load itself, this thing will change from green to red. It means you need to call us come and change. This, although we made mistake, it should be upside down. It should be telling you the voltage that is coming out and the current that you are consuming per time. Currently now you are just consuming 5.1 amps out of the 200 amps capacity of this battery. So at that 5.1 amps, this battery can still run for like the next maybe 5 to 10 hours. Okay. So this will just be telling you the amps that you are consuming per time. Okay, I'm through down now. Then now come in. If you are pressing jam button, currently it's 220 volt that is going on. If I press that now, it will tell me what input frequency. Since there is no electricity on it, so that's why it's not bringing input frequency. Since there is no voltage, so my log base in my head, you might do voltage. And the matter is about less than 150. So if I press next, input frequency, there is no input frequency. If I press next, it will tell me the current value of this battery, which is 47.7. Maybe man smaller and it can be the same. This one is showing 47.9. If it's night, so back to that, this will be lower than this. Okay. The moment sun start coming out, it will increase back up. So let me press next one. If I press next one, amps that is charging. Since we don't connect NEPA, it's not showing any amp that is charging it. Output frequency 50 hertz. You don't need all those ones. Your current load percentage, that's the most important thing you need to come and check. It will tell you the percentage of load, which is just 27% of 5 kV. If I press next now, it will tell me the total watts that we are using here now. We are just using 1.23 kilowatts. If freezer is about fully, it should be lesser than this. The more the freezer is up. During the day, if you put on the pumping machine, this thing can go to as high as 3,000 watts or 3,000 kV. But pumping machine consumes more energy. You don't need all this one. And if you now leave it for like 2 minutes, it will go back to current status. So you don't need to keep pressing. It will go back to its current status. So that's all. Then next thing, this battery is tubular battery. Tubular. Water is inside. This gauge, check and green means the battery is full. Red means the battery is going bad. So the moment the battery gauge in blood, you need to call on us. Yes. It's going down. This gauge. The moment it's going down, you need to call on us. Once every 6 months, we'll come around to come and fill top of this battery. And after 2 years, we will not use distilled water again. We use what is called electrolyte to top it up there. After topping it up, you might notice traces of water. Even after installation, maybe all out. Don't use more stick to you. It will spoil it. You use rag. And before you use rag, you sprinkle water on top. And the man come because rashes. But when you sprinkle water and clean it, nothing. So,